Hey guys, and welcome back and thanks for watching. I went to Target yesterday for a pickup of diapers and ended up wandering the aisles, letting Target tell me what I needed. So today I'm going to walk you through a very quick random Target haul. I have home decor, some kitchen, some clothes for the boys. So it's a lot of random things, but I will have it all linked in the description bar and comment section. Make sure you click the subscribe button and we'll get started with the home decor because let's be honest, that's everybody's favorite. And I literally just took this entire thing off the display. Don't hate me if you're a Target employee, but the reason why is because they had a million of these vases and then these were the last 4 stems they had of this. And I was like, I want to recreate that look. So I just like took the whole thing. It didn't look like it was actually like made by a Target employee by the way it was kind of thrown around and the way it was displayed. But yeah, don't hate me if you guys hate when people do that, sorry. But this amber vase is absolutely beautiful. I've told you guys in recent videos, I like when vases have these smaller mouths because it's so much easier to make pretty floral arrangements that look very full with fewer flowers. If you have a vase that has a very wide mouth, you're gonna need a lot of flowers to make it look full and stuff together. So I just love the smaller mouth ones, but I like the color of this. That amber glass is just absolutely gorgeous. And the size of this is incredible too. So I loved the look of that, but I also felt like with these 4 stems, it was just absolutely beautiful. These look as realistic as I feel like this kind of stuff can in the fall. I usually don't go for like bright yellow, bright red, bright orange, and these being a little bit more muted was what I loved. But I also like Target stems specifically because you can do this to them. You can kind of bend them and manipulate them. So they work for taller vases or they work for shorter vases because you have the ability to do that. These are only $5 a piece and it says stem hops. It says for indoor decorative use only, and you can kind of pull them away and manipulate them. So I did get all 4 of them that were inside of the vase, and I was literally waiting for this video to put these out. So I will cut all the tags off of them before displaying them, but I just love the way this looks. Now, I'm not really sure if we're gonna consider these part of home decor, but I want to because they're so cute. This is just a part of like their holiday line. These little mugs, I think they're $5 a piece, but how adorable is this little cauldron? I usually am not a Halloween girl, but something about having kids, it just changes you. And I love the colors on this one. And it is also a very good size. So I thought this was a super cute mug. I'm very into the Christmas mugs and the whole 9. But how adorable is this? It's a little ghost that has a little trick-or-treat basket and a bow tie. And I just thought that was adorable. And it, again, like these are, I don't know if it says how many ounces. It doesn't, but these are massive coffee mugs. And again, I know this one was $5 because I just linked it on my Instagram today. So it doesn't have anything on the back versus this one that does kind of carry that pattern and color throughout. But I love the little holiday mugs, so I had to grab 2 of these. Now into the kids' clothing. I did get a couple things. Roman, if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, you know that he is in the 97th percentile for height. Kid grew 3 inches in 3 months. Ezra is projected to be 6'2", and they officially project Roman to be taller. Child is growing out of everything. Even things that like Ezra used to wear, Roman's already growing out of them. So I had to get him a couple things, and I like Cat and Jack sets because this is only like $12. Yeah, it's $12. So it's basically like $6 and $6 a piece. And their stuff is just really soft. It washes and dries nicely. The color doesn't change at all. And it's just a good quality, so it works for kids. But I love this little Henley. I like that it has pockets in the front, but no hood. I don't like to put the boys in hoods, especially because if they're still napping. I just don't love the like thought of that pulling on them, but again, it does have pants with it. So I just thought this was a really cute set to put Roman in, and it is in the 18-month size because kid is big. And then I got this set as well, which is also $12 in the 18-month, and it just has little rocket ships on it, which I thought was so adorable. And then it has the matching pants. So these are perfect for the falls that we have here in the South, which, you know, they don't need something super thick right now. So I think those are gonna be great for the weather that we have currently. And then I also grabbed pajamas. I do kind of get these in a little bit of a bigger size in hopes that they can wear them for a little bit longer. but they did not have 4T, and I would have gotten 4T for Ezra because he's so tall, but I grabbed a 2T and 3T. Look at how cute these are. And little pro tip for mamas, if you're a new mama, I put my boys in 2-piece sets as early as I could find the sizes, because I just think it's easier when your kids are little and you are still waking up in the middle of the night with them to change diapers and stuff. It's just easier when you have pants. So get the pants. Despite how little your child may be, like, I would recommend going ahead and getting a 2-piece set, but I just thought these were adorable for matching Halloween jammies. And then they also had adult matching pajamas. So I did grab a small because these are the men's. I didn't see any that were like labeled women's, but it says mix and match family sleep pajamas. These are the men's pants. So I grabbed a small, super soft. I just love the pattern. I think these are adorable. And then they did have a separate sweatshirt. So I grabbed a small in this as well, but this was the women's shirt. So it does just say Boo on it, and these are super, super soft. So I thought it was a great way to kind of match with the kiddos with the Halloween theme pajamas, but they did have a couple other patterns that I loved as well. And then the super random thing that I just wanted to kind of I got this. So why not share it, you know? If you guys have not tried Dawn Power Wash, like, you don't know what you're missing. I did not try it, I think, until like we moved into this house maybe, but it might have been right before. I don't know why. This stuff can cut through anything on your pots, on your pans, no matter if it's baked in, no matter if it's greasy. Like 3 seconds of this stuff and it's going to just absolutely demolish any grossness that you have on your cooking items. So I do get the lemon scent, and I just needed a replacement. So hands down, super random, but Target told me I needed it, and / my husband said we were out. So that's why I grabbed that. And that is it. Very random, but you guys know, you just let Target put out feelers and tell you what you need. And it was a pretty good one. I love getting pajamas for the boys. So thank you guys so much for watching. Everything again is gonna be linked in the description bar and comment section below. Love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Mwah.